Hi, in this video I want to talk about driving in Saigon, aka driving in Ho Chi Minh City. So let's begin. The thing is, I bought a motorbike, and the motorbike is for driving around in Ho Chi Minh City and driving into other places in Vietnam. But the problem with this is Ho Chi Minh is a busy city. Driving here can be dangerous, and the thing is, when I bought the motorbike, I didn't know how to use the manual, so it took me like 1 hour to learn. I can tell you it's easy to learn, but it's hard to, let's say, use it. Because normally when you have automatic, you just give gas, but if you have a manual, you need to think about what are you going to do. So it took me a while to get used to it, but now I'm used to it. But driving here can be crazy. And the thing is, what's irritating me is when people turn right, they do not watch. They think like, hey, I don't care. So if you're coming like really fast and someone is turning right, it doesn't matter how hard you would press the horn, they don't listen, they don't watch. And that irritates me so hard. So yeah, that's why I don't like driving around in Ho Chi Minh City. But when I'm driving around, most of the time I drive at night. Night is sweet time to ride. But the problem is sometimes you see the police, and when they see you, they try to stop you. And the thing is, I try to avoid it. That's it. But I drive more normally at night. And even when I'm started driving, I think about if there's rush hour, I'm not going to drive. It's that simple. I just think of another solution, or we'll do it another time. It's that simple. Because last time when I started driving, I was driving in a rush hour, I almost had an accident. Yes, it was my fault because I wasn't focused. I was looking for a shop, and yeah, the thing is I was looking for a shop and I wasn't focused, and I almost collided with another person. Yeah, but luckily nothing happened, nothing serious, so I'm happy with that. But what I can tell you, my advice is, if you bought a motorbike and you're driving in Ho Chi Minh City, it can be different. It is really busy here. Try to avoid the rush hour. If you can drive at night, drive at night, but just remember, if you're driving in the night, watch out for the police. And let me say one thing about license. Some of the police here cannot speak English, so if you show them your international license, they're not going to take you seriously. So you need to bribe them. I'm not going to say it's a bad thing. Sometimes it can be a good thing. I don't have experience with that yet because I avoid all the police. When I see them, I'm going to be like, okay, you know what? I'm going to take the other way. It's that simple. So driving in Ho Chi Minh City can be dangerous, can be challenging, but try to avoid the rush hour and be careful. Because when I came to Ho Chi Minh City, I saw someone get an accident, and you don't want to see that. Yeah. So people can be aggressive on the road, but trust me, most people you cannot drive. Yeah, not that I'm the best driver around, but I'm trying to do my best. That's it about driving in Ho Chi Minh City. If you have questions about Ho Chi Minh City or anything related to Ho Chi Minh City, feel free to contact me. See you in the next video.
Infinite power, infinite power, infinite power, infinite power, infinite power, infinite power.